This tutorial will take the replacement of the 1.2527p wiring as an example, allowing you to have an immersive experience of the entire disassembly and assembly process of the StackChan. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device. Turn the device over to its back side. The StackChan core is secured to the body with 2 screws. Please prepare a 2.5mm hex wrench. Remove the 2 fastening screws one by one. Open the StackChan body. Unplug the 1.2524p cable, connecting the StackChan core to the body. Use a 1.5mm hex wrench to remove the StackChan body power board. Please note that 2 sets of cables are connected to the StackChan body power board. They are the 1.25 to 7p cable and the body wiring. Use tweezers to gently unplug the wiring. Unplug the cable connecting the power board and the servo adapter board. Remove the servo base ring board. There is grease between the base ring board and the adapter, so avoid touching it during installation and disassembly. Separate the servo assembly from the body. Remove the screws, securing the vertical axis servo, then remove the servo. Remove the battery cover. Remove the screws securing the horizontal axis servo. Remove the old 1.2527p cable. Remove the horizontal axis servo. Remove the vertical axis servo. Remove the battery. Remove the adapter board. The touch board is attached to the housing with double-sided adhesive. Use tweezers to gently pry up the touch board and separate it from the housing, then remove it. Press the light diffuser inward from the outside and remove it. That completes the full disassembly process for StackChan. Next, please follow the reverse order of disassembly. Reinstall the parts one by one. Both the light diffuser and the housing are marked with A and B direction indicators. Please match and install them according to the corresponding markings. Install the touch board. Install the adapter board. Install the servos. Install the 1.2527p cable. After completing the cable replacement, install the horizontal axis and vertical axis servos one by one. Install the battery. Assemble the servo assembly and the body. Connect the cable. Use tweezers to connect the body cable. Install the power board. Install the StackChan core. After installation is complete, press the power button on the left side of the body to start the device. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.